sound. What's up, unicorns? Welcome back to the music room. Today we're learning to play the C chord. For the C chord, you are going to need your pointer finger and your middle finger. So finger 1 and finger 2. You're going to need all 4 of your strings, obviously, but putting those fingers in certain frets. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our pointer finger in the first fret of the B string. We're raising it half a step by putting our first finger there. So we're changing the B string to a C. We're raising it a half a step. Okay, the next note you're going to need is the E. So you're going to be taking the D string and you're going to be putting your second finger, your middle finger, in the second fret. Take a minute to make sure that that note actually does come out the right way. On the B string, string number 2, we're going to be putting our first finger in the first fret. On the D string, we're going to be putting our second finger on the second fret. Let's make sure that they both sound the right way. Yep, that's good. Make sure that they all work together. Did you notice how on the second one it kind of buzzed a little? It's because this part of my finger was being lazy and kind of creeping into the line, the string of the other note. Make sure there's a space. My good friend Bernadette calls it a house for a mouse. So make sure that you've got a nice house for a mouse. Ah, that'll work. Let's do 4 quarter note down strums with our thumb. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, try it again. Rest, 2, try it again. Last time, ready, go. Please feel free to stop, start, rewind, and play this video as many times as it takes to get that C chord to come out. Don't be discouraged. Your fingers are not used to this yet, so you're building strength. You're building muscle memory. You're teaching your brain where to tell your fingers to go. Your fingers are just having a tough time listening to those directions. You're also going to be building the calluses on your fingers, so be patient. It does take time. Thanks again for stopping by. I'm going to link the other videos somewhere around here. The next video is going to be combining the G chord and the C chord, and that's going to be a little bit interesting transitioning. So that's going to be a little bit more involved. Get your confidence built with the C. Go back and review G. Thanks again for stopping by. I will see you next time.